Welcome to your weekly horoscope, Cancer. From love to career to well-being, the stars have aligned to provide you with guidance and insights for the week of May 15th to May 21, 2023. Let's dive in. Love, the week begins with great news for those born under the sign of Cancer. Your heart will start beating for someone special in the coming days, and it may be time to start building something serious. Do not be afraid of change, and share your feelings honestly. If you are in a relationship, the long pause of Venus in square in Aries may have created some distance between you and your partner. Some of you may be questioning established relationships. However, your sky is gradually freeing itself from the burden of great responsibilities, allowing more independence and freedom of thought. If you are single, be open to new experiences and take the initiative to meet new people. Your lucky numbers for love this week are 21 and 42. Career, starting on Tuesday, May 16th, Mercury will finally leave the sign of Cancer, leaving room for positivity. From a professional point of view, you are leaving behind all the difficulties you have faced so far. You will finally be able to make new contacts and relationships that will help you in your new projects. The path you have taken in your career is the right one. However, it is essential to be assertive in your role and set new goals for yourself. This week may be busy, and you may be required to make some drastic decisions. Be confident in your abilities, and trust your instincts. Your lucky numbers for career this week are 2, 21, and 42. Well-being, for those born under the sign of Cancer, this week may be a bit challenging, but it is essential to take care of your well-being. Make sure to get enough rest and eat healthily. Regular exercise is also essential for your physical and mental well-being. Avoid stress as much as possible, and find time to relax and unwind. Your lucky numbers for well-being this week are 2, 21, and 42. General predictions, for those born under the sign of Cancer, this week will be like a 7-day obstacle course. Your goals are achievable, but only if you pass through a path full of challenges. It is up to you to decide whether to postpone them to an unspecified date or to take the risk now, knowing that you will have to face many difficulties. Do not be afraid to seek the support of those you love. After all, no one is at war alone. Although this week may be tough, remember that you are capable of overcoming any obstacle with determination and perseverance. In conclusion, this week may be a test of your strength and perseverance, but with determination and a positive attitude, you can overcome any obstacle. Focus on your goals and take the initiative to create the changes you want to see in your life. Remember that you are not alone, and seeking support from those you love can be a source of comfort and strength. Trust your instincts and have faith in your abilities, and you will achieve success in all aspects of your life. That's all for this week's horoscope, Cancer. Remember to trust in the journey and stay open to new possibilities. We'll see you next week for more insights into your future.